Hello, myself Laksa Patel, working as assistant professor in computer department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Now, today we are going to learn about part 3 of unit number 5. In this session, today we are going to discuss about shortage. This part, many times graph is used to represent the distance between the two cities. Everybody is often interested in moving from one city to another city as quickly as possible. Then the single source shortest part is interesting. In the single source shortest path problem, the shortest distance from a single vertex is called source vertex. The shortest path algorithm, which is also known as an Dijkstra path. Let there is some graph G, that is directed graph G is given with a n number of nodes and a set of edges. Then in single source shortest path, the shortest path from vertex V0 to all remaining vertex is determined. Then the vertex V0 is called the source vertex and the last vertex is called destination. In the graph, all the vertices having the positive distance and the single source shortest path or Dijkstra algorithm does not work for negative edges or negative distance. All the edges from I to J belongs to A whose length is greater or equal to 0. Otherwise, we represent the length is infinity. Now we see the single source shortest path with the help of example. Here we take the weighted directed connected graph with the weight is associated. Now suppose we start with the from source node 1 and then in the step number 1 we write the distance from source node 1 to all other candidate vertices, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from 1 to 2, here 1 to 2 is a distance 50, 1 to 3 30, 1 to 4 100 and 1 to 5 10. So first of all we write initial source node is a 1, so 1 to 2 the distance is 50. 1 to 3 distance is 30, 1 to 4 distance is 100 and 1 to 5 distance is 10. Out of them, first of all we select the vertex whose shortest distance or whose minimum distance. Here the vertex 5 has a minimum distance, that is 10. So next we select the vertex 5. Now we see and the candidate vertex are 2, 3 and 5 because we select the vertex 5. Now we check, is there a path from 1 to 5 and 5 to 2? No, here there is no path from 1 to 5 and 5 to 2. So we remain right the distance 50, 1 to 2. Now next we check, there is a path from 1 to 5 and 5 to 3. No, there is no any path from 1 to 5 and 5 to 3. So we write the same distance 30. Now we check, there is a path from 1 to 5 and 5 to 4. Yes, there is a path from 1 to 5 and 5 to 4. Now we check the distance from 1 to 5, 5 to 4, that is 20 and 1 to 4, that is 100. So we write here 20 and 10. Now next we select the vertex whose have a minimum weight is 20. So next we select the vertex 4. So candidate vertex are 2 and 3. Now we write the source node. First of all, there is a path from 1 to 4 and 4 to 2, 1 to 4 and 4 to 2. Yes. Now we check, compare the cost of 1 to 4 and 4 to 2, that is larger than 1 to 5 and 5 to 4 and 2, that is 1 to 5 that is 10, and 5 to 4 that is 10, and 4 to 2 that is 20. So total cost is 40. So here we write 40. Now next we check there is a part from 1 to 4 and 4 to 3. Yes. Now but cost is larger, so here we write the same cost 30. Now we select the next vertices, that is 3 as a distance 30. Now the candidate vertex is 2. Now we write the cost 1 to here, that is cost is 1 to 3 that is 30, and 3 to 2 that is 35. So here we write 35. So our single source shortest part, that is 1 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3. Now here we give the two graphs. So use the Dijkstra algorithm and find the single source shortest part for the given graph. Now we write the algorithm for Dijkstra algorithm with the length, an array from 2 to n. First of all, array D with 2 to n, and C is the candidate vertices, and S is a set of nodes or candidate items. And we start from looking vertices 2 to n and length of 1 to I, which store in the D of I, that is array D. Now repeat the n minus 2 time. B is a some element of the C which minimize the distance of vertices, and the C is a C slash V, that is set of union of vertices which have a minimum weight. Now for each W belongs to C, we select the vertices that have a minimum weight or distance. Now the complexity of Dijkstra algorithm is big O of n square. Thank you.